Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the new topic, that is class 8th chapter 1, playing with number. So today we are dealing with the chapter playing with the number. That means here chapter itself says that today we are going to play with the numbers. Okay, so here in my previous video I have explained the basic concept of mathematics. So here now we are going to start with introduction of this chapter. Before I go for an introduction of this chapter, here in this chapter introduction is nothing but all the types of number. So here all the types of number we have already learned in previous video. So let us just recapitulate it. Okay, here there are various types of numbers. So natural number, whole number, integers, rational and irrational numbers, and real numbers. So these all numbers in detail we have already learned in our previous video. Okay, so now the next concept in this chapter is general form of a number. So general form of a number. So as per my student request, here I am going to bit explain you in Urdu also, so that everyone can understand well. I'll try my level best to explain in Urdu. जो ये प्लेइंग विथ नंबर चैप्टर जो है, इसमें हम लोग ऑलरेडी इंट्रोडक्शन यानी टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर के बारे में बताया गया है, जो मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ. दैट इज़ क्या नेचुरल नंबर क्या है, होल नंबर क्या है, और इंटीजर्स, रैशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर एज वेल एज रियल नंबर, ये नंबर्स क्या है ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन. राइट, तो अभी नेक्स्ट जो है मेन कॉन्सेप्ट है जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ अ नंबर. जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ अ नंबर, यहाँ पे देखो यू कैन सी हियर. सो द सेकेंड नंबर्स इन अ जनरल फॉर्म. सो यहाँ पे वी नो दैट जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ अ नंबर कम्स हियर अंडर. वी नो दैट नंबर्स आर इन द फॉर्म्स ऑफ डिजिट्स. ओके, तो यहाँ पे फॉर 2 digits number a b, we have considered here a and b. 2 digits a b, that is equals to 10 into a plus 1 into b. Why 10 into a? We know this is unit and this is 10. Ones place, tens place. So 10 into a plus 1 into b. And for 3 digit number a b c, that is ones, tens and 100. So 100 into a, 10 into b plus 1 into c. So based on this I'll tell you few example. So the examples I'll take, first example from the textbook is itself. So I'll take 52. Okay, for example 52. So how we will write this 52 in a general form? 50 plus 2. तो ये हम लोग लिखेंगे 50 plus 2. So 50 plus 2. Now how we will write this in the general form? 10 into 5 plus 1 into 2. 10 into 5 plus 1 into 2. I guess it is not properly clear here. Okay, तो हम लोग 10 into 5 plus 1 into 2 लिखेंगे इसको. So this is the 2 digit number in a general form. Now let us take, that is how you will write 10 into a plus 1 into b. You can see here 10 into a plus 1 into b. तो 2 digit number general form में like this you will write. Okay, I'll consider 3 digit, any 3 digit. 3 example 2 will take. Okay, 3 digit I'll take 351. Okay, first 351, how we will write? 300 plus 50 plus 1. So we will write this now in 100 into 3 plus 10 into 5 plus 1 into 1. So this is in the form of 3 digit number. general form क्या है? 100 into a plus 10 into B plus 1 into C. You can see here A, B, C. 100 into A, 10 into B plus 1 into C. तो हम लोग 2 डिजिट नंबर को कैसे लिखना है? 10 into 5 plus 1 into 2. 52 को ऐसे लिखना है. तो 3 डिजिट के एनी नंबर आप लोग जैसे चाहे वैसे लिख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई विल डू. कुछ भी लेंगे हम लोग. 497. तो 497 को पहले हम लोग 400 प्लस 90 प्लस 7. तो इसको हम लोग 100 इंटू 4 प्लस 10 इंटू 9 प्लस 1 इंटू 7. दिस इज नथिंग बट जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ 497. तो ये हो गया जनरल फॉर्म. सो दिस इज जस्ट अबाउट द general form, first page. So now the next, here there are few example. You can try this. 25, 73, 129 and 302, and write the following in the usual form. You can easily write in a usual form also. 10 into 5 plus 6. 6 is nothing but 6 into 1. So 10 into 5. So what number it is? 56. Okay. 100 into 7 plus 10 into 1 plus 8. 708. Like this you have to write. Okay. 718. Like this. Easily you can write this. Okay. Now, next जो concept है in this. So, next concept is letters for digits. Letters for digits. This is the next important concept. First concept is general form of number. Next is letter for digits. Let us see what is the letter for digits. Here letter for digits you have few conditions. Here are some rules you have to follow to solve this type of problems. Okay. To solve this type of problem, each letter must stand for only one digit. Each letter stands for only one digit. That means first here, if we are taking digit letter A, it should take consider, for example, A is equals to 0. Here A is equals to 0 if you take, then you cannot take A is equals to 1. Understood? Each letter must stand for only one digit. So A, if you have taken 0, A will be 0 only. Then you can take B is equals to 1. Okay. Now first condition is each letter must stand for only one digit. यहाँ पे letters for digit क्या बोल रहे हैं वो लोग? यहाँ पे एक लेटर के लिए एक ही नंबर यूज करना है. मतलब एक प्रॉब्लम में एक लेटर के लिए एक ही नंबर यूज करना है. ओके. द फर्स्ट डिजिट ऑफ अ नंबर कैन नॉट बी 0. तो क्या बोल रहे हैं वो लोग? फर्स्ट डिजिट ऑफ अ नंबर कैन नॉट बी 0. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी हम लोगों को 63 लिखना है या 54, 63 लिखना है तो 063 नहीं लिखना है. फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द डिजिट कैन नॉट बी 0. ओके. तो this is the second rule. So here we have many types of problems from letters of the digit. So based on this we have to solve the exercise 1.1 problems. Okay. Exercise, we'll do exercise 1.1 which is completely based on the letters of the digit. Okay, let us see what is there in the exercise problem. Find the values of the letter in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Find the value of the letter. Here main question is find the values of the letters. Okay, we have to find the values of the letter here. So first problem from exercise, I'll write exercise 1.1. Okay, we have to do the problems from exercise 1.1. So the first question here is 3a plus 2/5 upon B2. This is the problem. Okay, now we have to solve this problem by we have to find the value of A and B. Okay, we can easily find this A and B value. हम लोगों को कैसे find करना है? They have told plus sign in between. So we know how to start doing plus from this side. Okay, तो ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? A plus 5 should be equal to 2. They are saying. तो हम लोग अगर 5 प्लस यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, 5 प्लस 0 लेंगे तो भी 2 नहीं आ सकता हम लोगों को, 5 प्लस 1 लेंगे तो 6 आएगा, 5 प्लस 2 लेंगे तो 7 आएगा, 5 प्लस 3 लेंगे देन वी विल गेट 8. लाइक दैट वी कैन नॉट टेक एनी नंबर हियर सो दैट वी कैन गेट 2. हाँ, we can take some number here so that we can get 12. हम लोगों को 12 तो मिल सकता है. क्यों? अगर 12 मिलेगा तो 2 यहाँ रहकर 1 कैरी हो जाएगा. 1 will be carry. Okay, 2 here then 1 will be carried out. Okay, so हम लोग what we have to do, we will find what is the number in A place. We have to take A is equal to 12 plus 5 we will take here minus 5. Then A is equals to what we'll get? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 we have to take. A value should be 7. So now we will find B value. So the B value is, let us write 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to B. Okay, 1 plus 3 is nothing but 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. So B is equals to 6 we will get. Okay, A is equals to 7 and B is equals to 6. Let us see the second question now here. Second question is 4A plus 98, that is equals to CB3. Alright, so second question is 4A plus 98 which is equal to what we will get? C, B and 3. Okay, so what according to this? तो A plus 8 is equals to 3 होता है. A plus 8 is equals to 3. So in 8 if we add any number we cannot get 3. 8 में अगर कोई भी नंबर हम लोग ऐड करेंगे तो 3 हरगिज नहीं हो सकता. So what we have to do? It can be 13. It can be 13. तो यहाँ पे 13 हो जाएगा and 1 will be carried. 13 will be here and 1 will be carried. So what we have to do? A is equals to 13 minus 8. A is equals to 13 minus 8 is nothing but what we will get? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A value we will get 5. So same like previous problem. अभी 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equals to CB. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14. CB is equals to 14. That means here A 5, B 4 and C 1. Okay, you can see here if we put value here 5, A is equals to what we got? 5. 8 plus 5 13. 3 here, carry 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 4 14. So 1 4 5 will be the value. Now the third one question is 1 into A, 1A into A which is equals to 9A. Okay, I'll write 1A into A is equals to, that is 9A. Okay. Here we can see we have a chances with same number it should be. A will have only one number, same number, that is. Here it is possible 1 ones are. 1 ones are 1. But 1 ones are 9, it cannot be, na? So with 1 it is not possible. We should check A is equals to either 1, then 2 twos are 4. It cannot be. 2, 2, 4. We need same value. It is not possible for 2. 3, 3, 9. It is not possible for 3. 4, 4, 16. Which is not possible. 5, 5, 25. Yes. 5, 5, 25. 5 carry 2 here. So either it can be A is equals to or A is equals to 5. 6, 6, 36. Yes. Or A is equals to 6. Let us check with 1. In place of A, I'll put 1, 1, 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, which is not possible. Here 1, but here we want 9, right? It is not. So this A is equals to 1 is not possible. A is equals to 1 possible नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोगों को यहाँ पे 9 नहीं मिला है. Let us try with 5. 1, 5 into 5. Let us try 5 5s are 25. 5 आ गया. 2, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. We got 7. हम लोगों को यहाँ पे 7 नहीं चाहिए, 9 चाहिए according to question. So for 5 also which is not possible. तो ये भी possible नहीं है. Let us check with 6. 1, 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 carry. 6 1s are 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9. तो ये 6 के लिए possible है. So A is equals to value is 6 because in जब हम A value is equals to 6 we took, we got 9 is the answer. Here 9 A. A 6, 6, 6 and we have here 9. So this is the question number 3. Let us see question number 4. 4B 37 upon 6A. A, B, 3, 7, 6A means AB plus 3, 7 which gives 6A. Let us check now. Okay. Question number 4. A, B plus 3, 7 which gives 6A. Okay. Now we can see here B plus 7 is equals to A. Here we don't know B also, we don't know A also. तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पे B भी मालूम नहीं है, A भी मालूम नहीं है, दो अननोन है. So we will keep this as equation 1. Okay, we will go for next. A plus 3 is equals to 6. Now I'll write this as equation 2. But यहाँ पे हम लोगों को second term है, this we don't know this side and we should know this. We don't know whether it will have carry or not. यहाँ पे अगर कुछ लिखेंगे तो कैरी आता है, तो यहाँ पे कैरी लेना है या नहीं है, तो दो कंडीशन है. वी हैव टू कंडीशन. फर्स्ट वन, इट विल not have carry. It will not have carry. If it is not there, if carry is not there, अगर यहाँ पे carry नहीं है तो क्या होगा? A plus 3 is equals to 6. डायरेक्ट लेंगे क्योंकि carry नहीं लिए हम लोग. So A is equals to 6 minus 3. A is equals to 6 minus 3 is nothing but 3. तो हम लोग सब्सटीट्यूट करके देखेंगे. A वैल्यू वी विल सब्सटीट्यूट इन 1. पुट A इज इक्वल्स टू 3 इन 1. ओके. B प्लस 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 3. B प्लस 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 3 पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सी इफ वी टेक 7 दिस साइड इट बिकम्स माइनस. B में अगर हम कुछ 7 में कुछ ऐड करेंगे तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट 3, राइट? तो it will not have carry, it is not possible. Okay, let us check if it have carry. Okay, first this, it will have carry. Let us see now. Okay, अगर carry रहा तो ऊपर 1 रहेगा ना here. So 1 plus a plus 3 is equals to 6. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus a is equals to 6. A is equals to 6 minus 4. A is equals to 2. Now let us see. This is not possible. Okay. Now let us check. A is equals to 2. B plus 7 is equals to 2. So A here 2 डालेंगे. Value is 2. 2 is not possible, but 12 is possible. Here see. Here also it was not possible. 7. If we add anything, then if we carry also will not get 13. But here it is possible for 12. We will keep here 12 because carry we have taken. It will not have carry we have told. Na? So we cannot write anything up here. But here carry, it will have carry means here 12 it will be, right? So B is equals to 12 minus 7. B is equals to 5. It will have carry means 12. Okay. Here it will not have carry means as it is number, so which is not possible. So A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 5. Then we can get the answer. We can see here B is equals to 5. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 here, carry 1. Okay. So A value is 2 na. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Let us see the next question. Question number 5. Okay. Question number 5 is A, B into 3. A, B into 3 gives C, A, B. Okay. Let us check now. This is possible. B is equals to 0 if we take whether it is possible. 0 into 3, 0. Okay. This is also 0. This is also 0. So what we'll get? A into 0 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. CA. CA as it is. Now this side 0 we got. So B value is 0. B is equals to 0. Here also 0, here also 0 occupied. Now next is A into 3 should be equal to CA. A into 3 should be equal to CA. 1 into 3, 3. 2 digit we want, it is not possible. 2 into 3, 6, which is not possible. 3 into 3, 9, which is not possible. 4 into 3, 12. Okay, if we go for 12 here, 2, 4. Here in A place 2 will get. Here 4. It is not possible. Again not possible. 5 into 3, 5 3 is 15. Okay. Here down also 5 we will get now. Here also 5 we will get. Correct? So 5 into 3. A value is 5. If we take, we will get correct answer. Now let us substitute. A value 5, B value 0 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. We can see both B 0. 3 5s are 15. Yes. A place 5, A place 5, 1. C. Correct. C value is 1. So, ये हो गया question number 5. And question number 6 is exactly similar. So you can do, you try yourself question number 6. Only same thing, in place of 3 they have given 5. Same problem, try yourself. Okay. So question number 7 now. Let me write the question number 7. AB into 6. A, B into 6 which gives B, B, B. That means what value we will take here, we should get the same value here. Okay. How it is possible? B into 6 is equals to B. So this is possible 0. First case for 0. If we take B is equals to 0, let us check. 0 into 6 is equals to 0. Okay, we got B as 0. But if we substitute in this, we are not going to get. Let us check in this now. A 0 into 6. 6 zeros are 0. But 6 into here A value, we will have different. If we take also here some number, if we take 1 into 6, 6 it will come. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 6, it is not possible at all. So B is equals to 0 is not possible. We want same 0, 0 only. Here we will not get 0. If we take A 0, only 6 zeros is 0 we will get. 1 0. We want all 3 digits here. B should be same 3 0, which is not possible if we take 0. So first one is not possible. Second case, if we take B is equals to 1. Okay. Let us check 1. A into 1 into 6. Okay. 6 ones are 6. Here B, we have taken 1 and 6, which is not possible because B should be same. B same रहना है. यहाँ भी B है. So ये B is equals to 1 is not possible. Let us take B is equals to 2. A into 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. हाँ 2 we got. मतलब B की जगह पे 2 ही मिला है. अगर कैरी 1 रखेंगे 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7, which is not possible. 6 2s are 12. तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों को 22 आना है तभी पॉसिबल है. 22 6 टेबल में 22 आ सकता है, 21 आ सकता है, नहीं आ सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज इफ 2 हियर कम्स, लास्ट 2 डिजिट ऑल्सो शुड बी 2. 22 आना है. 22 6 के टेबल में आ सकता नहीं है. 22 नहीं 21, 1 एडिंग इज देयर. 21 6 के टेबल में नहीं आ सकता. सो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. थर्ड वन, B is equals to 3. A 3 into 6. 6 3s are 18. तो यहाँ पे 3 ले हैं तो आंसर 3. This is not possible. B should be same. तो let us check for fourth one now. B is equals to 4. A 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 2. Now we want 44 here. सेम बी सेम आना है ना, तो 4 4 आना है. तो 2 लेस करके 44 मीन्स 42. 6 टेबल 42 विल गेट. यस 6 7s are. अगर ए की जगह पे 7 लेंगे 6 7s are 42 43 44. तो बी सेम हो गया. ऑल बी वैल्यू वी गॉट 4. सो बी इज इक्वल्स टू 4 एंड ए वैल्यू शुड बी 7. Then we got answer here. A is equals to 7 and B is equals to 4. Then we get the correct answer. Now let us see the question number 8. Question number 8 is A1 plus 1B which is equals to B0. Okay. It's very easy. Let us check whether it is possible or not. Okay. 1 plus B is equals to 1 plus B is equals to 0. 1 में अगर कुछ भी ऐड करेंगे तो 0 हरगिज नहीं मिल सकता. We cannot get 0. If we add something in 1, we will get more than 1, right? So it will be 10. ओके तो कैरी 1 हो गया. 0 इधर 1 इधर. सो बी वैल्यू विल बी B इज इक्वल्स टू 10 minus 1. B वैल्यू इज नथिंग बट 9. तो B की वैल्यू वी गॉट 9. नाउ लेट अस पुट B प्लेस 9. ओके 1 plus A plus 1 is equals to b. 1 plus a value is 9 plus 1 is equals to b 9. No, we don't know a value. Okay, b 9. So 2 plus a is equals to 9. A is equals to 9 minus 2 and a is equals to 7. So a value 7, b is equals to 9. If we substitute here, we will get a value what? 7. A value is 7 and b value is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 7, 8, 9. Okay, b value is 9. So got it? This is about question number 9. 8th one. So question number 9, try yourself, which is very easy. Same like previous all problem we have done, plus sign. Question number 9 is exactly similar. So 9 try yourself. 10th one I will do, which is bit different. Okay. But 9th and 10th is exactly similar. So 9th one you do yourself and 10th I'll do it now. So 10th one problem, let us see. Question I'll write. Last question, that is 1 2a plus 6ab, which gives a0 9. This is like fill in the blank. Here we can see we don't know a also, b also. A b मालूम नहीं है, b भी मालूम नहीं है. So what I'll do, a plus b is equals to 9. Equation 1 I'll write. Okay. यहाँ पे second area में we can find out 2 plus a is equals to 0. तो 2 plus a में 2 में अगर कुछ ऐड करेंगे तो we won't get 0. We will get 10. Surely we know that we will get 10. 10 मिल सकता है. तो यहाँ पे 10 आएगा तो यहाँ पे कैरी हो जाएगा. So a is equals to 10 minus 2. A is equals to 8. A की वैल्यू मिल गई 8. Now we will substitute in this and we will check. A plus b is equals to 9. 8 plus b is equals to 9. b is equals to 9 minus 8. b is equals to 1. So we got b value also 1. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग चेक करेंगे. a value 8, b value 1. 8 plus 1 9. So 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry 6 7 8. A value is 8. So here exactly 8. Therefore a is equals to 8 and b is equals to 1. So this complete exercise 1.1 of the first chapter, playing with number. Okay, this completes the exercise 1.1 of the chapter, playing with number. In my next video I am going to continue, that is test of divisibility. Okay, do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.